Welcome to another video, and we're here at Mow Cop. So the annual tradition here at Mow Cop on the 1st of December is the lighting of Nancy's Christmas lights. It's a pretty foggy night here at Mow Cop tonight, about 3 Celsius, and hopefully we can see these amazing lights come on at 6 p.m. tonight. So the Ash Inn has lain food on tonight, and last year there was a really good crowd. So all this is done for charity, and the charity this year is Approach Dementia Support. There's nothing online that you can donate. If you want to donate, you've got to come here in person, enjoy the lights, and donate to Nancy herself. So make sure you do that, guys, over the Christmas period and also the run up to Christmas. So there we go, there's the Ash Inn here in the fog, Mow Cop, 1st of December 2022, and we're getting excited for the lights here. So as you can see, donations to Approach Dementia Centre North Staffs, and the Christmas light switch on is the 1st December today, 6 p.m. There we go, all dark at the moment. So we've got about 5 minutes to go, and there's plenty of people arriving here tonight. There you go guys, Nancy's Christmas lights lit for the 2022 season, and a lot of people out here watching them tonight.
Okay then, we're doing it for Dimension, and it's a good turnout tonight and it's lovely, yes, and thank you very much and Merry Christmas to everybody. Thank you.
So how long's it taken you to put them all up?
In between the bad weather all November, because it's done nothing but rain and the winds and everything, but I've still been outside trying to get them up.
And what time are the lights coming on?
In the weekday it's 6:30 until 8:30. Saturday and Sunday at 6 o'clock until 8:30.
And they're running until?
Up to Christmas Eve if we don't have the snow.
And if they want to donate, they come straight to you
They
here?
come straight to me, yes. Or
Yeah.
go into the pub and donate in the pub.
All right, thanks Nancy.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
So there we go, hope you've enjoyed the video tonight. If you have, give us a thumbs up, drop us some comments, and of course subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and Merry Christmas everybody.